Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are making this amazing dessert which is a little complicated to make, but I really wanted to share this dessert with you, which is a delicacy and the results are amazing. So let's make together this very delicious classic flan. So first of all, take a saucepan and add 1.5 tablespoons of water. To your water, add 1/3 cup of sugar. Now cook your sugar and water on medium heat until it caramelizes or it changes color. As you can see, it's progressing and it's getting there, and you can see the color changing. And it will keep getting darker as you cook it, and you can even smell the fragrance. So once it's done, cover it and add about 3 teaspoons of hot water and close it quickly, and don't forget to turn off the heat. Now pour your caramel into a rectangular baking safe container and put it aside. Now in the same saucepan, add about 2 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now stir everything together and bring your milk to boil. As you cook it, you will see the color changing and our milk has boiled. Now we will crack 4 eggs. And we're gonna be needing 2 egg yolks. Now to your eggs, add 1/4 cup of sugar and whisk it together. Once it's mixed, add the prepared milk to it and whisk it together. Now we're gonna strain the mixture, and this process makes your flan and the mixture very smooth. And we're gonna strain it once again over the caramel that we had prepared into the baking pan, and once again it's gonna make it smooth. So now with the help of a kitchen towel, you can pop all the big air bubbles that you can see. Now add your baking dish to a bigger baking dish, and we're gonna be adding some hot water in the bowl because we're gonna be baking it with the help of a steam. So add water for until a few inches tall, and we're gonna be covering it with a foil. In the meantime, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius, and we're going to be baking it for about 30 to 35 minutes. Place it in the oven and bake it until the skewer comes out clean. I started with 30 minutes, but it took me around 35 to 40 minutes for it to be done. So it depends on your oven how long it's gonna take. So while our flan is in the oven, let's make some whipped cream. For that, take 100 grams of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna whisk it well until you see stiff peaks and it becomes like a whipped cream, something like that. So now let's flip our flan, and after you bake it, you're gonna let it cool down, and then you're gonna refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 hours for it to set before you serve it. So our flan is ready to serve. Let's slice it slices and see how it looks. You can see all the caramel that we had poured at the bottom, the juice from the caramel, and the colors look absolutely amazing. And now we're gonna pour our prepared whipped cream on it. Let's give it a taste. Trust me, it was very delicious. It was a little long procedure, but the results were absolutely amazing. It's very important to let it sit in the refrigerator once it has cooled down completely, because that lets your caramel and your custard to set before you flip it over. Otherwise it's gonna break. I hope you like this recipe, and if you try it, please tag me on your Instagram pictures. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.